Linani letibalo talabasuleleka nge-COVID-19 eGauteng liyephusa. Sekusele kancane-ke ukuthi lamanye emawadi etibhedlela agcwale, kanti kuletinye atisemukelwa sanhlobo-ke tigulane njengobe kugcwele. Njengobe-ke loku kufaka tisebenti tetempilo ngephansi kwalenkulu ingcindzetelo, kwangathi siyatfolakala sisombululo.
After the conversation with the President and the Minister of Defense and military veterans, we have requested additional capacity to assist Gauteng in terms of military help that has moved into the province to assist us swiftly. What this will do will be able to release the capacity of the beds that have been held because there were no human capital.
Umlilo lowacubuka esibhedlela iCharlotte Maxeke eJozi ngamabasa lowaholela ekutheni sivalwe kwente simo saba madima kakhulu kunaphambilini.
The process is underway. We are hoping that in the coming weeks the engineers will assist in terms of finalizing the work and also giving the certification for occupation of the hospital so that we can be able to see that coming back into life.
Itolo lakuleli litfole smartphones emjovo labalelwa ku-300,000 lekuthiwa lekugoma bothishela nalabasebenta etikolweni.
I can confirm that happened yesterday on the 17th of June. At 17:45, we received the consignment that arrived in the country.
We will immediately start rolling out 2 programs and followed by others. The first one is the education sector. Altogether in that sector, there are 582,000 people. That's the public and the private basic education sector, including all those employed on Purcell, the SGBs and the private educators.
Kukhona-ke labo labakhala ngekuthi iNingizimu Afrika ihudfula tinyawo kunekuthi itfole letinye-ke tinhlobo temijovo yekugomela leli gciwane, kepha-ke tati tithi kusengakafinyelelwa esiphetfweni ngalolu dzaba.
The applicant, there are 2 applicants, and what they are doing is what's called a rolling review. So as they get data, they're submitting it to the regulator, and the regulator is reviewing that data on a continuous basis, and that speeds things up. That doesn't mean that you suddenly get a huge file of information that suddenly the regulator has to try and evaluate from all of those different perspectives.
Uma kuphela lenyanga lesetulu iNingizimu Afrika ilinzele ukuthi ibe seyemukele imijovo yekugoma lengu 1.3 million yaka Pfizer ngeluhlelo lweCOVAX.